This is program number 8 of week 9. This is the last program for week 9. This one is going to convert a temperature in Fahrenheit to Celsius using all those calculations done in a separate method. So let's get to it. There's a couple things that are kind of cool about this program. You can see here this is one way to do it, shown here in the PowerPoint or the PDF lecture notes. I will show you another way that I'm going to do it in my code. So I have 1, 2, 3 individual methods that I'm calling to do this, and then one line that just outputs the results. So I have one method called getDouble, one that's called convert, and one that is called SICCheck. Okay, so let's start off here. So we have we're going to basically call a getDouble. So I've been using this a couple times now. So this is going to send a message out to the screen, and it's going to bring back a information in the form of a double variable from what you enter in. So the message that's going to go out is enter temperature in Fahrenheit, and what comes back is going to be stored in this variable temp f. And if we look down here at the method for this, this basically brings in a string variable. It's going to output that to the screen with a write line, and then it's going to take the read line from the console. It's going to parse that to a double, and then return that back to where we came from and populate that variable with the result from this method. So that was what that one does. This is, I think, the third program we've done something like that. And I think that's going to be my standard method of getting information from the screen from now on. This next one here, this is doing the conversion. So we're going to send this variable, this temp f, this is going to be temperature in Fahrenheit. We're going to send it to this convert method, and we're going to get back temperature in Celsius. So we are going to send this a double. I'm going to call that f. We're going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So my double variable c is going to be f minus 32 divided by 1.8. That's the conversion for Fahrenheit to Celsius. And that's going to come back with return this value. That's going to be a double. Come back up. It's going to populate this temp c. Pretty straightforward. And the last thing here, SICCcheck. This is actually going to send out a variable, which is going to be this temperature in Celsius. It's going to return back a string. Okay, so let's watch how this one works. So this one I say static string SICCcheck. We have a double C. So I basically get this, check temperature of C to see if the person is sick. So I'm going to establish a string variable called S. I'm going to make that just with nothing in it to start with. If C is greater than 37, then we're going to say S is going to be you are sick. Else S is going to be you are healthy. Then I'm going to return that value of S back up as a string. It's going to come back up here, and then I'm going to say output to the screen, your temp in C is temp C, and I'm going to output that string right here. Okay, so that is our program. Let's see it run. I'll just move this window over here so you can see it better. Okay, so enter temp in F, that's here. Let's say your temperature is 95 degrees. Your temperature in C is 35, and you are healthy. So this one here, enter your temp in F. Let's say 101. Your temperature in C is 38.333, and you are sick. Okay, so that is this program running. So now we're getting to the point where we're doing everything in separate methods. Okay, so it keeps nice organized programs, individual methods down here that can be easily condensed. Everything looks very clean. Okay, so that is our program for number 8. This is it for week number 9 assignments.